Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate the viral Empire State Building flag trend using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use ChatGPT. It only takes about a minute. Recently, a photo of a couple standing at the top of the Empire State Building while holding a flag went viral. Since then, creators, brands, and business have been recreating the image for social media posts, marketing campaigns, and motivational content. And here's how you can make your own. Okay, first you can open up ChatGPT guys. You can use the website or application. Next, you're going to upload the original Empire State Building photo. You can find it online or simply take a screenshot of this viral image. Okay, this one, you can use this photo as your reference. And after that, you're going to upload a photo of the person or people you want to replace the original couple with. You can keep the original couple if you want, but in this example, I'll use my own photo. If you want to use the original photo, you can use this prompt, this one guys. And I've added this quote: your future is created by what you do today, not by what you plan to do tomorrow. And it will be like this. For the prompt, you can create it with ChatGPT or you can use mine. I'll put it on my YouTube description. Okay, that's one. And if you want to replace the person, you can use this prompt. And don't forget to upload your own image if you want to replace the couple with your own image. And this is the result. If you're not completely satisfied guys, simply regenerate the image and tweak your prompt. For example, you can add instruction like this: make the people stand with natural body posture and realistic expression. Generate again until you're happy with the final result. And that's it. Have fun creating your own viral Empire State Building flag image. Okay guys, and that's all from me. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!